I have 30 coins consisting of nickels and quarters. The total value of the coins is $4.10. How many coins of each kind do I have? A nickel is 5 cents and a quarter is 25 cents. So there are two unknown numbers we need to calculate. The number of nickels we have and the number of quarters we have. So let's denote the number of nickels we have by the letter N. Let N be the number of nickels we have. And let's denote the number of quarters we have by the letter Q. We are given in this problem that the total number of nickels and quarters we have is 30. So if we add up N and Q, the result would be 30. We are also given that the total value of the coins is $4.10. Since we are working with cents here, let's convert this amount to cents. So we just have to multiply this number with 100. So 4.10 multiplied by 100 would be 410. So $4.10 is equivalent to 410 cents. That's the total value of the coins. So if we have N nickels, then the total value of the nickels we have would be 5 multiplied by N. And if we have Q quarters, then the total value of the quarters we have would be 25 multiplied by Q. So the total value of the coins we have would be the total value of the nickels we have plus the total value of the quarters we have, and that is given to us to be 410 in cents. Now you may notice that each of these coefficients is a multiple of 5. So let's make this equation a little simpler by dividing both sides by 5. So if we divide the left hand side by 5, we'll get N plus 5 times Q, and on the right hand side, if we divide 410 by 5, we get 82. So if we call this equation as equation 1 and this equation as equation 2, we need to find out the values of N and Q by solving this system of equations. So both these equations are linear equations, and the simplest way we can solve them is by subtracting the first equation from the second equation, because that would cancel out the n's and we would be left with Q on the left hand side, only Q on the left hand side, and some number on the right hand side, and that would immediately give us the value of Q. So if we take the second equation and subtract the first equation from it, then on the left hand side the n's would cancel out. 5Q minus Q would be 4Q, and on the right hand side we would have 82 minus 30, which is 52. So if 4Q is 52, this means Q is 52 divided by 4, which is 13. Now this is the number of quarters we have, and we know that the total number of coins we have is 30. So the number of nickels we have would be 30 minus Q, or 30 minus 13, which is 17. So we have 13 quarters and 17 nickels. That's the answer.